Hello everyone. Today, I will show you how to add, set and remove layers in PDF files. This video is divided into 3 parts: function introduction, code explanation and example operations. Layers are a technique for organizing and managing content that allows users to manipulate different elements or parts of a document as separate layers. Here are some key benefits. First, flexible content control. By assigning document content to different layers, users can control the visibility and editability of each layer as needed. This allows for customization of how documents are presented, with the ability to hide or show specific layers depending on the user's requirements. Second, convenient version management. Using layers allows for easy creation and management of multiple versions within a single PDF file. By placing modifications in distinct layers, users can make updates as required without needing to recreate the entire document from scratch. Third, enhance user experience. Adding interactive elements like buttons, hyperlinks, and form fields to different layers within a PDF document can significantly improve its functionality and user experience. These interactive features allow for dynamic interactions and data collection within static PDF files. Last, improve readability and navigation. In documents with extensive content, utilizing layers can greatly enhance readability and navigability. Users can selectively display or conceal certain layers, minimizing visual clutter and enabling them to quickly locate the relevant information. Before explaining the code, let's start by examining the desired effect we wish to achieve. Here is the original document without any layers. And I will add a watermark layer to it. In the beginning of the code, we need to create a PDF document object used to load the input document. Then, create a layer named watermark layer. Create a font for adding a watermark text, and define the text content as needed. To determine the position of the text, we need to measure its size and set the offset. Next, create a canvas based on the original document and move it to the calculated position, set the transparency and rotation angle for the canvas. Finally, draw the layer text onto the canvas and save the resulting document. Now, I will run the code I just explained in IDEA. I have copied the code and input document into the created project in advance. There are no watermarks and no layers in this document. Run this project. After running successfully, open the result document. We can see that the watermark has been added to it as a layer. If we uncheck the layer option, it will be hidden. In addition to adding layers, Spire PDF also allows us to set the visibility of layers and delete layers. To set the visibility of layers, we first need to create a PDF document object for loading the input file. Then call the getLayers method to get all layers. Iterate through and get each layer. By passing the PDF visibility off property in the setVisibility method, we can turn off each layer. Alternatively, we can also pass in the layer name to set its visibility. Finally, save the result file. As for deleting layers, we still need to create a PDF document object to load the input file. Next, get all the layers. Call the removeLayer method and pass the layer name and the parameter true. Or we can also remove the specified layer by its index. The index is counted from 0. Finally, save the result file. Now, I will demonstrate the code I just explained in IDEA. For the sake of demonstration, I have also copied the code and input document to the project in advance. And there are 3 layers in the input document. First, set the layer visibility. Run the code. After running successfully, open the result document. We can see that all layers have been hidden. Second, delete layers. This code is mainly used to delete a layer named footer and the first layer. Run this code. After running successfully, open the result document. We can see that there is only one layer left in the document. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.